I'm going to tell you that the Flex and Reflex workshop is coming soon. So it's Saturday, August the 15th, 7 to 10. We're going to be doing a couple of different things. There will be a networking exercise. There's going to be guided coloring and reflection exercises. And I just wanted to give you an idea about what I mean when I'm saying about helping with our positive mental health. The agenda is we're going to have welcoming, grounding, to say thank you to the Indigenous community. We're on their land. They've been so gracious, or very debatable, but we won't go there. They've been so gracious to share their land with us, and we appreciate them. So we will give a little shout out to that situation. Passport activity. So we're here, but we're going to be traveling. So we're going to be traveling in some different stations. That's Flex, awareness and identity. Reflect, which is truth and the cost of it. Move, to next and to better. So we'll have 3 stations set up. It's going to be a networking event like no other. We're going to intermingle with each other. We're going to get to know a little bit more about ourselves. We'll take a little bit of a breather, guided reflection flow, which will be a color and reflection exercise. So the themes of the conversations that we're going to have, and I will have you to think about and meditate upon your to next and to better. To next is advancement, to better is refinement. Theme 1, identity and truth. Who are you? Identity and truth. Who are you when no one is watching? We need to know that for ourselves as well. Theme 2, awareness and inner work. Fix yourself, learn yourself. That's where security comes from. So in that, some of the prompts that we're going to look at, what do I need to work on? What is the root of what I'm feeling? And theme 3 is going to be the mistake might be the most important step you take. So what fear do I need to face? What am I ready to release? Right? So these are some of the explorations. And our last theme during the guided reflection tour of what we're going to be talking about is your presence is needed. It's super needed. Someone is waiting for you to show up. I'm waiting, guys. Do you know that? I am waiting for you. I have a degree in psychology and law, and so therefore I really go to the crux of the psychological elements that are out there, the terms, the concepts, the work that is behind each of these therapy sessions and ideas. And so therefore I'm bringing it in as I'm building up the workshop. It's not 100% complete, so feel free to give me some ideas of what you would like to have added in, and we'll work it into the programming. But I just wanted to give you 6 lenses that you can explore. Of course, this is going to just be at an overview level. It's going to be the general concepts. And I want to just say, my summaries are just simplified for a general audience, right? And it's not a substitute for therapy. And therefore, therapy delivered by a professional is important. And I encourage you to seek it out. So when you need support beyond self-reflection and you have to have a signpost for appropriate care, reach out. We have a lot of great therapists in this country. So one of the things that we want to focus on when we talk about alignment, some of the activities and some of the therapy ideas is cognitive behavioral therapy. What do I mean by that? It's a link between your thoughts, your feelings, your behavior, and it will hopefully gently reshape unhelpful patterns, right? We can explore this further. I'm always open for different discussions, different coaching programs and elements, so reach out to me. Dialectical behavior therapy, that's action-oriented, right? So we're going to balance acceptance and change to steady big emotions and find the wise mind between the reason and the feeling. Just because this is a short video, I'm not going to go into depth of what I mean, but like I said, reach out to me. Acceptance and commitment therapy, it's going to build psychological flexibility. We are in flex and reflex, and that's the whole concept behind it, right? We're making room for those hard feelings while we're taking action towards what we value. Mindfulness-based, that's really good because we want to be present. We want to be innovative, but we want to also be cognizant of where we are and where we want to go. So there's mindfulness-based stress reduction and mindfulness-based cognitive therapy. That's going to help us with our progress. It's going to build on our present moments, non-judgmental awareness, but that we can understand that feelings can be noticed instead of acted on automatically. So this is the concept behind the flex and reflect. Take a minute. Where are we? What do we need to do? We don't need to react, act, and based on what has happened in the past or what we assume is going to happen in the future. Trauma-informed care, we're looking at the whole book of it. So it's not going to be just focused on a single method. We're going to prioritize safety. We want to make sure that you feel secure. We want to make sure that you feel safe. Flex and Reflex Workshop is a safe environment, right? It's choice and empowerment. We're going to next and to better. And we want to also have it integrative and person-centered, which is the ethos. We're drawing from many different backgrounds. We're going to meet each person where they are with warmth, with respect, and making it simple so that people can think for themselves. It's all about you guys. It's all about community. So join. I'm looking forward to meeting new people. I'm looking forward to moving forward. Let us continue empowered together. We will. One of the things that where we are, we celebrate where we're going, and just stay tuned. So check out the link, tammyservices.com/purchase your ticket. So purchase your ticket. I appreciate you. Bye, refiners.